Hi everybody, welcome to a new video by Saqib Iqbal Digital, and in this video we start how to customize the templates in Canva. So this is a design which name is Blue Modern Programming Instagram post, and it's shared by my friend Shahzad Rahim, and I need to update it for him. So what I do, this design consists of 6 pages actually. So page number ranging from page 1 where it is start to thank you page, which is page number 6. So what I do, I just copy, select first, I select all of these and then duplicate, and I update the duplicate ones. So now I started copy, I select one and the last one by shift button, and I duplicate 6 pages. So I update these in the bottom bar, these 6, and the upper one remains the same. So I compare after the updation, so how they look like. So first I open page number 7, and first of all, I already created a brand kit about Dart. Dart basically, it is a language in the Flutter UI kit, programming kit basically. What is Flutter? Let me search Google it. So Flutter is an open source UI software development kit created by Google, and it is used to develop cross-platform applications for Android, iOS, Linux, Mac OS, Windows, Google, Fuchsia, and the web from a single code base. So it from a single operating system UI development kit, you can use everything. So what I do, first I delete this image, I don't need this. I need a new one. I delete the background color, I remove everything which is not necessary. I go to the website pngwing.com, and pngwing.com is free and is very good. I share this description, the link. I search for Dart, and number of stunning images in front of me. I choose the one I need for my design. So let me scroll down, and here it is. I find the one I need for me. So I need to download it. Click on download this png, which size is 1.06 MB, and this is downloaded. Now I need to upload it in my design. So I click on upload files and click this file. So this file is going to be uploaded in my upload files tab. So I insert it in my design, I increase the size. I need this image on 2 pages, so because it is carousel, so I need to set it on my design. So I use the keyboard buttons of left and right in order to set it on my page. So what I do, I copy this page and put the other half of my png on the right, on the left side. So it looks good. Let me check in this view. Okay, so now it is fine. So I now what I do, I need to update my design. I click on the font, and I need to change this font from Garrett to new now bold. So I click on now bold, and I change its case, which is now uppercase, and I set it according to my image on the left bar, on the left side on my of my design. So the slightly dots on the design is are the margins of this design. Okay, so what I do next, I set it in the middle of my design. Then I yes, now it is good. Okay, let me click on the background color, and I try different colors on it. So I click on black. Okay, so I need to delete this rectangle in the middle. Okay, now it is deleted. What I need to change the color of the text to, I try different colors. It is a blue, white, etc. So let me add an image color. Yes, so this is good. Let me try another. So just trying different colors, so find out what is good for my design and which looks better. So right now I keep on white color, so I make it big to adjust it on my design. Okay, so I have need to change the text because it is not the one in the same manner. What I do, what I write now, did you know about Dart. So Dart language is so I set it a single word on a single line. So I put it in the middle. I make it smaller. I decrease this font and now set it in the middle. Now it's cooler than before. Yes, it's look good. Now I need to change this CTA button. CTA stands for call to action button. I need to change its text and background color. So let me double click its text and I right swipe left because it's a carousel post. So I need to give a CTA to the visitor that just swipe left to check out the next slides or next pages. Okay, so I change the background color of this uh, CTA and then change the text color too. Okay, now the background color is perfect and white, and the swipe left white color matches perfectly. I just press L from my keyboard and insert line, then I add arrow from its left bar and increase line weight. Okay, so I have to I just make it smaller. Okay, make it smaller to adjust in the bottom bar. I okay, so let me set it first. Okay, so once it's adjusted, I just pick it up and dropped on the. I need to drop in front of the swipe left button, but I need to be. I need its width to become smaller. So by just changing its line weight, I can achieve this. Let me decrease this line weight, and I can get what I want. So yes, so I decrease its slightly length. Now I set in next to the swipe left text, so I need to adjust it, and I just zoom in my design. Now I adjust this line to add this arrow in my design, so it is next to the exactly next to the swipe left. So now it is adjusted. Now I've again come to my fit view. No, so I need to change the colors of the elements that are already added in order to make it more engaging. So the first page is almost ready. Now I go to the second page. So okay, so what I do now, I again change the background color to black. Now I need to delete the rectangle in the middle. Now I delete this text. I don't need this too. Okay, I delete the unnecessary design. So I just need to copy this from the next slide in order to add in the upper slide. So let me adjust it first. So this text is not right now adjusted, so I just copy this and adjust in the upper page. So now what I need to do, I need to adjust this design on this text on my page. Okay, so let me delete the unnecessary elements. So this is the position. Okay, now it is deleted. I put it back. I need to adjust it using my keyboard left and right keys. Okay, so what I need to do, what okay, right, I need this element. I cut this by CTRL+X, and now I copy this in my design. So okay, so I need to change the text. I update its font to Garrett to now such now bold. Yes, here is it is now bold, and I need to change its case, which is now uppercase. I increase its size. uh, okay, so what I need to do now, I set in the middle of the page. I need to update my design furthermore. For example, I increase the size of this dart. Okay, now it's fine. I need to adjust it in my design. What I do now, I increase the size. Okay, so now yes, I need to adjust it right now. So what I do next, I CTRL+C and my CTRL+V. I duplicate this and I decrease its transparency so it gives a shadow effect on text. Okay, so I also need to change its color from white to orange. So I need to position it backward, so it now it's fine. I need to set its position furthermore. Let me check it. Okay, so yes, I slightly drop it down using my keyboard keys upper and lower. Okay, now it's like both, and I press CTRL+T to make it group. Okay, so now I need to adjust its size. Okay, let me try into the bottom. uh, no, I think no, bottom, in bottom it is not good. Now it is fine. Okay, I need to copy this text with the arrow sign, so I place it in this page too. So this is okay, so I pasted it here, and I try to make it smaller, but no need. I set it in the just the right bottom margin. Okay, this I need to delete this page, and I now this page is in front of me. I need to update this design. What I do, I copy this page and delete this image, and I need another image from I need to update the text though, and I need a new dart image to copy. Okay, I just copy the text and apply in the upper slide, in the upper page. I update it, and I placed it in the center of the design. Yes, in the center of the design. What I do next, I copy the upper text like client optimized, and again copy it in the dart in the heading. So I update its heading to 50. Okay, I need to change the text and uh, font of the background color, background font too. Okay, so what I need to do, I just press CTRL+SHIFT+G to ungroup them, and then set it as I need right now. Okay, so no, let me just it from my keyboard keys. Now no, I need, okay, so I need to increase the size. It must be in the margins right now. Okay, let me make them a group. So no, it is not set. Okay, so let me select both, and by pressing CTRL+G I make them as a group. Now adjust the borders, I set in the margins. Now it is in the margins right now. So what I do next, I need a dart image which I need to insert in. So I again go to pngwing.com and search for dart, a perfect stunning dart image which I need to upload in my design. So yes, I think this one. What I do, I simply download this one. I open in the okay, let me check what is the new design. Wow. Okay, so this is downloaded. I go to my Canva page, upload file. I click on upload button, and then upload this image. So I need to insert in my design. I click on it, and the image is inserted in my design. So I need to adjust it. I just slightly rotate it and make it smaller. So uh, let me place it at different places. Let me place it in the bottom left side. No, it's not attracting here. So what I do, no, I need to centerize. Yes, so these two are now in the center. Now I set it in the top right, top right corner. So let me make it position to the forward, so it is in the front. I need to make it bigger, so it's more attracting. Okay, wow. So I need to this element in the bottom. So this is the right place for this element. I need to adjust its position, and I think this slide is now complete. So yes, what I do next, I simply delete the next page and go to the next page. I simply duplicate the upper page and just update my designs. Okay, so I just copy this text and paste in the upper slide. It is pasted. Now I Again, select this garbage collector text and paste it on the upper slide. Okay, so there are two fonts, basically one in the front and one in the back, but I decrease its size so it become within the margins of design in a single line. So it is now I press CTRL+G on my keyboard to ungroup this. Now it is ungrouped. Okay, no, okay, I yes, now I update the background text too. Now I change its size to 58.3, the exactly same the upper one text which is in the front. So I use my downward keyboard keys from my key and adjust its position. So now it is adjusted. I again select both, and by pressing Ctrl+G they are in group now. I just click I just check out the slides view to check out my slides. So they are in progress. Garbage collector. So after this only one image is left. So what I do, I just copy this slide, duplicate this slide, and update its design. So I need to add image in the last one. Okay, so I copy this and I paste in the upper duplicate slide, and then in the text I write OOP. OOP means object oriented programming. Okay, so I write double OP and I in the text double OP. Now it's fine. I need to adjust its position as I do in the upper slides by using my mouse and keyboard upper and down keys. So they are not adjusted. Let me select it again. So yes, now I press the keyboard down buttons and now it is adjusted. So I again press both, I select both of these, and by pressing Ctrl+G they are in group now. Okay, so everything is perfect now, but I need images like dart. Okay, so I upload this and I use this image which I downloaded in the very beginning of this tutorial. I double press this and crop this image, so I need a single dart. Okay, so okay, fine. So I need to rotate it as per my need. Okay, if I change its position to forward, let me uh, you can also use the shortcut keys I will share in the description too. Okay, so I need to adjust it in my design. No, it's not good here. I think I need another dart, so let me place it here first. uh, if it needs it is good. Yes, I upload that image in my png image in my design, and I need to place it behind the text. So in order to make the text more visible, I decrease its transparency, but I let me first adjust its size. So I decrease its transparency so it good. So it wow. Now I need to increase the size on the I increase the size within the margin so it cover all the margins. So let me, yes. Okay, now this page is perfect. This page is perfect. Okay, so let me check. I check out why I need to update the recent designs or not. So I don't think so. I need just a thank you page is left. So what I do now, I click on page number 12 and update this. So I delete the background color and change it to black, that is according to our theme. Now I change the font of this text. So let me search, I need an image of my friend, so let me search out on Google, on my LinkedIn. Now I need to update its bold. I update its font to new bold, it's 2. So okay, so I need to decrease its size. Yes, I need to, okay, let me spell correctly. I place it in the middle. Okay, let me change its color. I need it in the brown. Okay, now it's, I think it is perfect. Okay, so this carousel is basically for the social media. So let me copy the swipe left button, but this is the last slide, so I need here save it for later. So I write it save it for later. So people use this, save this PDF or image, whatever. On LinkedIn it is shared as PDF, so it gives a carousel view, and under the social media it is uploaded as carousel images. So I need a save button, so I search in the element save. I just pick up the first one, which is also free. I change its color to white, so I decrease its size and place in front of the save it later button. Yes, let me adjust this button. So from my keyboards, yes, buttons, okay. And you also need a frame. Okay, I insert this frame, then I go to upload tab, and I upload the my friend's image. Yes, and I click on image, so it is it is available in the design. I just click and come over the frame, so it is adjusted. So I adjust this image. I need to zoom it. Now it's fine. So I decrease its size and place in the center of the design. Okay, what I do next, I need to adjust its position. Okay, so I simply press C on my keyboard and a circle is inserted. I place it on my friend's photo, and by using shortcut key I move it backward. By using keys I adjust its positions, and by using I change its background color as I use in the design. So I need different colors, so I think this is the perfect color for my design. So this is the final slide, final post page. So now you can check out the first 6 pages are designed by my friend, and the last 6 pages are designed by me. So I need to copy this link, so I share it with my friends. I also have the option to download it. Okay, I need to upload its name dot Shehzad Rahim. Dart is the name of this file, through which I remember, and Shahzad Rahim is the person for whom I design or update this design. So this is all about custom templates. What I do next, let me show you in the full page. Okay, let me show you in the full page of these designs, so you understand it better what we design. Okay, this is the last slide. Okay, so this is the first slide, this is the second one. You can check out the clarity of everything. Third, then fourth, then fifth, and finally thank you page. So this is the design which I updated from my friend. So hope so you like this video. Kindly subscribe this, share with all the friends out there, and